Here's our future right here. Evan's running a 4G. I did the route and the hot pass. I'm all dialed in. I got testing on Monday for 3G, 4G stick, D1.5. Tuesday, 3G, 4G flux core, NR233 for D1.5. This is my daughter's friend from high school. He'll graduate this year, be a future 401 dude. I got him running on the Lincoln. Yo, Warburton. So I'm dialing in my LN25. Just practicing before I hit this. I'm at 25.1. I was at 25.8, so I'm experimenting. I want everything dialed in because I'm testing off the truck. God bless America. And yeah, I got 250 foot of lead. Just everything's different, so I get this stuff right. But just wanted to say what's up. Thanks to my subscribers. I've been busy. I'm working with a bridge outfit, and everything is great. So just wanted to say what up. And here we are. Let's see if it sticks. Attaboy. Love it. But yeah, practice makes perfect. I tell you this 10,000 times. Gotta get it right. Dynamite. I'm out of here. Thank you to Evan. What a blessing.